Okay, as part of my birthday surprise, we have came down to the final gift. And I told you it's new to the channel, as I will show you what it is. Need some guesses, please. It's related to building. It's a random build. So sorry, that's bad joke. We have got a Lego set. Don't look at the price. That's a scam. Okay, so I'm going to be opening this Lego set, and this is what is this? Cars motorcycle speed race. I have like more Lego sets I never showed you guys, so it's gonna be a new add-on to Saaharsh Rocks. I will be doing Lego as well. Push. I opened the Lego set. Wow! It's like only 2 bags, guys. So I will show you me speedrunning this build. I'm just joking. First I will be showing the minifigures, then I'll build. I have dropped down my Lego set. And the minifigures which come in this is a Dragonic Warrior and Kai. As you can see, this is the first pack, and these are the small pieces pack. So I will be opening them, and I will be showing you the minifigures first. So this is Kai's torso, his headpiece, and his sword and his head. So Kai has 2 faces, guys. One is this smile face and one is the serious face. I'm going to be keeping the serious face. And his hair. Then are his legs. This looks really cool actually. And he gets a prismatic blade for stopping ghosts. And he gets this sword. It's not the sword of fire. Okay, so next is a Dragonic Warrior, who I actually don't know how to build. So I'll be checking the instructions for this one. So you can see Lord here. Okay, so this is Kai's, and he has 2 swords it seems, but I'm only gonna keep one because it doesn't look cool. Oh, he has the sword. Isn't that pretty good? It is actually a really good sword. Okay, so here is his beautiful sword. It's not that beautiful. Okay, so here is his sword, his body. His body is translucent because he's a ghost. It's actually transparent. He became a ghost because he got sucked up by the hollow ones. You keep his face. Damn, this actually looks really cool. And this is the dragon piece. You have to keep horns to it. We've kept horns to it. And we have to keep it on his head. Oh, he's a Dragonic Warrior. I never knew that. No, just joking. I already know that. So here are the 2 minifigures which they come with. Now I will be speedrunning this build, and you can watch it. Abracadabra, gilly gilly, chew. Oh, here comes the bike. I've finished Kai's bike, guys. It looks really chunky and cool. So let's put Kai on it. Okay, he looks really cool on this bike. So Bye bye, Kai. See you later. Whee. Okay, so now it's time to build the Dragonian Warrior's bike. So I'm going to speed run it again so you can see it. The set is officially finished. So let's race. Because why not? It's called a racer. And we already have extra points. Oh, it's Kai lining up first with his prismatic blade to kill this dude. And then it's Mr. Dragonian Warrior Poop Pants. Yeah, let's just name him that. It's a good name. And it's the race is going on. Whee! But this is what happens. He falls on him. But what Kai does is insane. Because he is the elemental master of fire. Emotional down. Guys, so the Lego set is officially finished. And as you can see, here are the two racers who will be competing today. It's Mr. Dragonian Warrior Poopy Pants and the elemental master of... Drumroll, please. That's right, he's the elemental master of fire. So, let's do this. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, Kai's going. Oh no, the Dragonian Warrior skids before him. Is he dumb? Why can't he just go finish the race? But he doesn't want to. He's just doing that for no reason. So Kai punishes him. He does a backflip Haley and punches him down and kicks him away. And Kai wins the race. And the winner of the race gets this transparent thingy majiggy. Okay, so the race is over.